Gigantify! Guess what, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to draw a Gigantamax Snorlax. Here's a known fact about him. You see, Gigantamax Snorlax is a normal type Pokemon, and he's one of the Pokemon that's he was one of the first Pokemon that Ash and Go saw Dynamax. And believe me, this guy, he wasn't really that strong during the series, but that was the only time we saw Gigantamax Snorlax in action. But if you ask me, seeing a Snorlax Dynamax, that was kind of awesome. You know, all this time I've been waiting for a Snorlax to get an evolved form, besides Munchlax. And, truth is, if you saw any fan-made versions of Snorlax, then you should screw that. Gigantamax Snorlax is way better. Sure, he can't get up on his own 2 feet, but at least you'll get a chance to see Snorlax battle with a giant. At least you'll get a chance to see Snorlax battle in a form this big. I heard in the next episode of Pokemon Go, you'll get to see Gigantamax Duraludon. Okay, let's see what happens when you draw this guy. This is how you draw his body. I draw the lower half here. And, known fact about Snorlax, his body is kind of like a gigantic park. And, he doesn't really, harm anybody, but, he's actually kind of adorable once you get used to him. It's like a giant field with a giant tree and a bush. If you ask me, I think Snorlax has become one with its garden. Okay, let's see, this is how you draw his path. Okay, next up, you just have to draw the flower garden here. Okay, next up, here's his... Here's the tree. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There's this huge tree here. Next up, here's the fruit on his head. You see, Ash and Go, they were trying to stop Snorlax from blocking a train path so it could pass through. So they gave it the fruit so it could eat it, and it bounced off to the other side of the tracks, and it managed to devolve. There we go. There we go. And there. And oh yeah. Finally, when you start drawing him, be sure to draw the Gigantamax clouds above his head. There we go. And I prefer the Gigantamax clouds the way in the game rather than in the show, cause I don't like the way that they were designed in the show. The way that they were in the game, definitely perfect. And there we go. That is how you draw Gigantamax Snorlax. I know it's a little bit rough start at first, but at least I got some of it done. Anyways, in a few weeks I'm gonna be going on vacation, and I'll be in Rhode Island by now. It's a 3-day weekend. After that, I'll be back home by Thursday or Friday. Anyways, that is how you draw Gigantamax Snorlax. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll let you guys know what kind of Pokemon I'll draw you guys next. So, what other Pokemon do you guys want me to draw? Be sure to leave a comment below.